how to make cake pops.
Here's what you need.
Chocolate, frosting, flour, 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, vegetable oil, cake mix, and spray oil. Crack and add your 3 eggs to the mixer. Need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Add 1 cup of water. Add the cake mix.
Spray oil on the pan. Add a few tablespoons of flour to the pan.
Now mix.
Add to the pan. Add the cake to the oven at 350. When the cake is done, cut around the cake pan. Now put the cake in the freezer to cool it. When the cake is all cool, cut off all the brown parts of the cake. Once the cake is all crumbled, add the frosting. Then add the sprinkles. Now you're gonna roll it up into a ball and place it on the pan. Then melt the chocolate for 30 seconds.
Once your chocolate is melted, put the sticks into the chocolate and put it into the cake pop halfway. Put chocolate around the cake pop. And tap it so excess chocolate will come off. Your cake pop should look something like that.
Enjoy!